Have you ever wondered how Warmind stacks up against Google Fuchsia? Today, we are diving into this interesting comparison. Both Warmwind and Google Fuchsia are operating systems, but they have different goals and designs. Warmwind is focused on simplicity and lightweight performance. On the other hand, Google Fuchsia aims for flexibility and modern architecture. Let's start with Warmwind. It is built for speed and efficiency. It runs smoothly on older hardware and is perfect for users who want a straightforward experience. Its user interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it great for beginners. Now, let's look at Google Fuchsia. This OS is quite different. It's designed to work across a wide range of devices, from smartphones to smart home gadgets. Fuchsia is built on a microkernel, which means it's modular and can be updated easily. This makes it very adaptable for future technology. So, what are the key differences? Warmwind is all about performance on older devices, while Google Fuchsia focuses on versatility and future proofing. If you want something simple and fast, Warmwind is the way to go. But if you're looking for a system that can grow with new tech, Fuchsia is a better choice. When it comes to features, Warmind offers basic tools for everyday tasks. It's not overloaded with extras, which some users appreciate. In contrast, Google Fuchsia has a more extensive feature set, including advanced security options and support for various applications. As for pricing, Warmind is generally free, making it accessible for everyone. Google Fuchsia is also free, and since it's open source, developers can contribute to its growth. In the end, if you want a lightweight, no frills operating system, go with Warmwind. But if you need something more advanced and adaptable, Google Fuchsia is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.